In today's video, I will guide you on how to fix your command prompt not working as administrator. Come to this video description, copy this as is here, copy this, then come to this place, right click on the start button, click on run, then paste that you copy here, then click on OK. It brings to this interface. Now here you see that I have my administrator here, then click on property. Once you click on property, go to group membership. Now if it is on standard, make sure it is under administrator. If it is on order, then make sure it's under administrator. Click on apply, click on OK. Now try it. This should fix this issue, and if this does not fix this issue, then try. So come to this search bar, type in this word UAC, then click on this button. Once you click on this button, you have yourself at this place. By default is at this level, the second level. If it is at this first level, then drag it to the second level, then click on OK and click on apply. And if it does not work, then try this one, click on OK and click on apply. But never use this one, and if it does not work, then this should fix the issue of administrator not working on your PC. That's all guys. If you've been able to fix this, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more tips like this.